If you are looking for how to create dual WhatsApp account in one phone, then this video is made for you. So stay till the end of this video. I am your host Osama Farki. So let's get started. Initially, you will need to go to your settings. You can find them on the top of your screen. You can, if you don't find this setting in the top, you can go to your all apps. There you can search for the setting. Just open the settings. There you will need to scroll down a bit and you will find the app section somewhere there. You just need to open the apps section. Then there you will see dual apps option. Simply tap on that, tap on it. There you will see almost list of all your apps that can be duplicated. So currently it's showing off. Simply you just need to toggle this option to create a dual app for WhatsApp. When you go back to your home screen, there you will see dual app is created successfully for WhatsApp. Now you can set up two WhatsApp accounts in one phone. The first one is simple WhatsApp, other one is a duplicate of WhatsApp which have a yellow icon in bottom left side. So let me open my WhatsApp. This is a simple WhatsApp. There you can see all the chats and the group I have as usual. And let me open the other duplicate WhatsApp. There you will see that allow me to create a new WhatsApp. Welcome to WhatsApp, and I agree to terms and condition. When I click on that, when I tap on that, there I will can choose my country and my country code, and I will have to enter my phone number, and the rest of the procedure is the same as the usual WhatsApp. So there you can set up your second WhatsApp account. In the same way you can set up your WhatsApp business account or any other apps. So if you are confused how to create the WhatsApp account, so I will link the video in the card option, and also I will place the link in the description. So if you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, so give the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel so you can find all the upcoming tech related videos in this channel. So stay tuned with us. Thank you.